Hi, in this video I'll show you how to generate an embed URL link that will allow you to have signers access your document for signing in a way that is not verified through the traditional email verification flow by SignRequest. In order to do this, you'll need to use Zapier.com, which is a third-party platform for automating different applications with SignRequest. You'll need to create a Zap. The two applications that we're going to link together in this video is Google Sheets and SignRequest. So you can choose a trigger. So whenever a new or updated spreadsheet row happens in Google Sheets, then a SignRequest will be generated from a template. So we select Send SignRequest from template. And what we'll do is generate the embed URL link to this signing document based on information that is updated or added into the Google Sheet. So click Use Zap. Now select your Google Sheets account. Select the spreadsheet and worksheet. Now you can choose a trigger column in your spreadsheet. You can also choose any column. Click Continue. You can test the trigger to make sure it works and click Continue. Now you can set up the SignRequest side of things. So choose your SignRequest account. So if you're working from a team account in SignRequest, make sure to choose that team account. And you'll need to select the template that you're sending. You can ignore these fields here for the most part. These will be taken care of in your template settings within SignRequest. Scroll down here to the signer email field and select the field in Google Sheets or in your trigger application where the email of the signer will be derived from. Now continue to scroll down all the way to Advanced Signers Configuration. For this field, you'll need to click this More button, and you'll see an example set of code here. Now this will change slightly based on how many signers that you have, but for one signer, it will look something like this. And in this section, where the email is, we'll want to replace this with the email field from our spreadsheet. And over here, it's important that you don't have needs to sign as true at the same time as having approve only as true. You can only have one of these as true at the same time. So either they need to sign or they just need to approve of the document. So since they need to sign, we'll just change this to false. So one optional thing that you can add to this code, which I've just added, is since we're doing an embed URL and the signing process is not going to be verified with the normal SignRequest email flow, we can create an embed URL user ID to show on the signing log to prove that this document has been verified in the method that you choose. We will just create an embed URL user ID. We've created an embed URL user ID, and the code for this example is this will show on the signing log. And again, that step is optional. Once you've finished here, scroll down to click Continue. Now it'll ask you to send a test to see if the Zap is working. So we'll click Test, and the test shows as successful. So now scrolling down here in the sample from SignRequest field, you'll find the embed URL field, which is right here. Now again, since this document will not be sent via the traditional email flow, this is the link that the signer will need to access in order to sign the document. So we'll copy this link and open a new tab to show you how it looks for a signer to click this link. So it'll ask the signer if they want to log in, if they do have a SignRequest account, or they can just click no thanks, sign the document without logging in. So as you can see, there is no email verification step. Once they click this link, they are in the document. and finalize the document. Now that the document has been signed, we're going to check the signing log, which can be accessed either in the My Documents folder here or in your email inbox as an attachment. As you can see on the signing log, it says verified by Zapier and whatever team name you've created. And importantly, here it says the email address has not been verified by SignRequest, but the user was identified by the application of team name and email address of the sender. And the unique identifier of the declared logged in user is this will show on the signing log. So this again is our unique identifier, which is an alternative means of verification of our signers. Well, I hope this video was helpful. Please don't hesitate to reach out to support@signrequest.com if you have any additional questions. Have a great day.